Stop talking! Your tongue could burst!
This girl doesn't know if she's good enough to go to school here. What do you people think?
My name's Cat. Like the animal. What's that supposed to mean?
Nothing. I love cats.
Me too, they're so cute.
Dude, why are you rubbing my boyfriend?
Why'd you give him $2?
I thought he was homeless.
Bon appetit!
What's the prob?
Dog.
Lousy animals, kangaroos. They're awkward and dirty. Maybe they learned from you.
You need to leave.
That was impressive.
So did I get it right?
Nope.
But I did too get it right.
All right, listen.
I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but do you know how hard I worked on the scene?
Music?
All you ladies pop your pussy like this.
Multi
Shake your body,
shot.
don't stop, don't miss, just do it. Do it.
She was gonna hit me with that.
Tori, this is my brand new camera.
Yep. Just feel the peas.